Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, my main analysis is that this is an ABC correction, which I think it's an expanding because it's a higher high than the previous 5 waves up. So if it's an expanding, then I would be targeting the 161, 178. If it's a running flat, then I would be targeting the 100% Fibonacci extension, and we ended up making a lower high and a lower high. Hopefully, it breaks out to the downside, which will help confirm that this really is going down for either that expanding or the running flat pattern. So going down to the 1 hour time frame based on that higher roadmap daily time frame, I am definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend. This move right here is kind of an odd move because it's just one impulsive up. Now, sometimes you do get motive wave corrections, which means it's just one impulsive counter trend move and it just keeps on going down. But more often than not, you do see three-way patterns. So there is a possibility that it goes up and makes another, attempt up. Maybe we test this to 61 before it goes down. For me personally, because of my roadmap time frame telling me to look for sorts, even if it does go up, I am definitely going to continue to look for sorts anyways, because it could be a little bit of an unreliable trade. And what I mean by that is it could go up a little bit and then just make a lower high and just keep on going down because the higher time frames are definitely in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.